Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this grey Hyundai i30 Performance. Now of course this is a 2-litre turbocharged engine. You do get full LED headlights, you also get 4 front parking sensors, and then of course you also get these brilliant, might I add, freshly refurbished 19-inch alloy wheels as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. But coming round to the rear, you get the dual exits at the rear as well. You also get a nice little reversing camera and rear parking sensors. Then coming into the tailgate, we have got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Now of course you also get the K-frame here as well, which does enhance the strength of the chassis. But then coming round to the side, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your Part Alcantara Part leather interior with Isofix mounting point to the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car, we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got 2 front heated seats. We've got your parking sensors off and your stop start off. We've also got heated steering wheel and traction control off as well. We've got dual climate control. And then of course we also have your touchscreen display, which comes with your various radio bands. It's got your various media sources. It's got full satellite navigation as well. And of course, over to the steering wheel now, we've got your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, and volume and track select. Over on the right hand side, we have got your cruise control on here as well. Then, of course, on the right-hand side again, on the left-hand side, sorry, we've got your drive mode, so you can choose between normal, sports, and eco. On the right-hand side, we have got your N mode, which, as you can probably hear, does increase the sound of the exhaust. I'll quickly give it a rev. The previous owner has done something to the exhaust, but we can find out more for yourselves. It's got 4 automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. Then as you can see, this car has done 96,978 miles. You've got electric front seats as well, which the drivers does have the memory function. But showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this i30N, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.